Today's the day, dear. Completely conducive for contemplating cozy, charismatic country cottages. Hey everybody, it's Will Venus. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today I am doing another unboxing. Well, I say another, I've not actually uploaded any yet. I have filmed them, but they just all need edited. But this one takes precedence because my friend Angie from Morphe Beauty and Lifestyle has sent me this beautifully package. So yeah, I've got no idea what's in this, well, other than I know that it's makeup, but I've got no idea what kind of makeup it is. So whatever this video is going to be called, I won't know until I edit it because I'm about to open it. I've been saying for a little while that I've wanted to try makeup, but I've had absolutely no idea where to start. So my friend Angie has sent me this, this box. I've no idea what's in it, so let's get it open. I almost don't want to open it because it's been so beautifully put together. It's gorgeous. Actually, I'll use, just checking that my sound's recording, I'll use my little scissors so that I don't destroy the packaging too much. So here we go. So how are you all doing? It's getting to summer. Now, I don't know whereabouts you're all from, but I'm in Edinburgh here and the weather has been incredibly odd. It feels like sometimes we're still in winter because the temperature goes down to about 5 degrees Celsius. Which isn't my idea of spring, summer. 1 minute it's those temperatures, then the next it's quite warm, then the next it's something entirely different. I'm still opening. Carefully cutting. Oh, there's something at the top. Oh, there's a card! Oh! Isn't that lovely? To my wee Scottish Viking, have fun, my lovely. Foundation and brush. Sorry, I'm terrible at reading handwriting, Angie, so eyeshadows and brushes, love, Angie. Oh, thank you so much. That is lovely. I shall treasure that forever. Thank you. Oh, I love little things like that. Thank you. Pop that up there. Yeah, just in case you ever forget what my first initial is, there you go. So, let's get this out of there. Now she's packaged it so well, I need to do a bit more cutting. Just do it at the corners. It's like Christmas! Okay, I think I'm getting to the final little bits of sellotape that I need to cut. Is that it? Oh no, there's another little bit to cut. We're in. This is quite magical. Wow, you've done an excellent job at packaging this, Angie. Ooh! So Angie sent me some of her declutter things, and if you haven't watched any of her declutter videos, go over to her channel. In fact, as well as watching her videos, subscribe to her as well if you've not done so already, because she's just amazing at what she does, and she's a fantastic human being. So, oh, now I'm not exactly a connoisseur when it comes to makeup, but I have heard and seen certain names from the videos that I've watched, and there's one here that I instantly recognise, and it is Morphe. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, these look glorious. Ooh. Now this is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Yeah, these look glorious. If I can get that up to you without. Ooh. Now I like the look of. Whoops! This one's called #besties. Actually, I would just be here all day naming these because they all look super nice. So that's that one. I should put a little note on this. Dupe for Too Faced Peach Palette. Ooh. It's like a chocolate bar. Oh, I like the feeling of that. It's very nice. Ooh. Now I believe these are called neutrals. I think these are really nice. I'm gonna have fun with these. Extra gentle. Ooh. These colors are glorious. Exposed Professional Cosmetics, and just put a little note on it. UK indie brand. Yeah, everyone knows that I'm a lover of colour, so these will do very nicely. Exposed Professional Cosmetic Disco Queen palette. Very apt. So that's that one. Put the little note back on. I save all little things like that, you know, notes. Nothing with meaning gets thrown away here. Now this one, next one is called Revolution Pro. Ooh. Talk about glorious Technicolor, as you say in your videos, Angie. Ooh. Already I'm trying to get a... Actually, there's no trying needed. I've got a lot of ideas in mind. Next one. Revolution Makeup London. Soph. Let's have a look at this one. "24 Ultra Professional Eyeshadows." I get extra nervous when I'm opening things in case I break them, because I can be quite clumsy at times, but... Oh! Mmm! you like those ones? That's nice. See that colour? Again, it's very early days for me here, playing with makeup and how to film all this, so bear with me. I am not, just put that back in the box. I'm not, this isn't my usual thing. Not that I'm taking the mick out of people that do makeup, I've just always wanted to try it, so be kind with your comments. Ooh, there's a few brushes as well. Get that back in there. Ooh. And then we have some brushes. Lovely. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not sure what this big one's for. But I'll figure it out. It looks like it's an angle brush of some kind. Very soft. Yeah, I thought of an inappropriate joke there, which I shall keep to myself until I build up confidence to tell filthy jokes, if ever. And she's also sent Bourjois Paris Healthy Mix Fond de Teint Anti-Fatigue Foundation. Anti-fatigue? Are you trying to say something? I'm joking. I'm joking. It's this. Yeah, that looks like a good match actually, because I've been looking for a foundation that's an alternative to the one that I've been using for the past however many months, because it just makes me look like a bit of a ghost. So yeah, those are the things that she has sent me. I cannot believe I just cannot believe how kind you are, Angie. Thank you so much. Yeah, I cannot wait to get started creating these looks if I can. I'm a beginner, so bear with me. I don't know if I want to film me doing my first makeup application on, because I'm going to do eye looks, or shall I practice first? What do you think? Tell me in the comments. But yeah, thank you so much for this, Angie. You know how much I appreciate our friendship, and you know all the encouragement and everything that you give me, and how we're able to share things to support each other here on YouTube, which is somewhat unheard of, but yeah, we have that going, and you know, support and everything. It's something that I really firmly believe that everyone should have, no matter what walk of life you're from. If you're from like doing online things like this, or in your life away from cameras and social media and you know all that kind of thing. So yeah, I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you actually, but yeah, so comment below if you cannot wait to see me get started, or if you have any suggestions for looks or inspiration or whatever you want to talk about regarding makeup, or anything really in the comments. I welcome all of them, and I shall see you in the next one. And if you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. It would really help me grow, because yeah, I've been sitting under 40 subscribers for nearly a year now, and I would really love it if you guys could help me grow. So yeah, subscribe, you know, like, comment and share for the, you know, all that, whatever it's called, to help me grow. And I shall see you in the next one. Yeah, take care. Much love to you all. Bye.